So today's lesson is on the Pythagorean theorem. Before we get started, I'm just going to go over what these mean right here. Okay, so we have the formula. It means the exact same thing. So whatever one makes more sense to you, use that one. The top one right here says hypotenuse squared equals side 1 squared plus side 2 squared. The one below it says c squared equals a squared plus b squared. So I'm just going to help name the triangle. So in order to find the hypotenuse, you go from the 90 degree in the corner and go out. And this longest side right here is called the hypotenuse. Okay? Then we have to the one side, we can call this side 1. And we can call this side side 2. So that's one way to name them. The other one, if you prefer the second formula, your hypotenuse is referred to as side C. I'll put a little circle around it. Okay, and then we can call this one side A, and we can call the one below side B. Now it doesn't matter when you are going back and forth from this side to this side, okay? This one could be called side 2, and this could be called side 1, or vice versa. This side could be side B, and this side could be called side A. It does not matter. Whatever one makes sense to you. The only thing that really matters is that your hypotenuse, or side C, is the longest side, and that goes out from the 90 degree in the corner. Okay, so let's solve this triangle. Enough talking. I'm going to use the top formula. Hypotenuse squared equals side 1 squared plus side 2 squared. So hypotenuse squared equals side 1 squared plus side 2 squared. So next step, we do not know what our hypotenuse is. They gave us an h. So I'm going to keep that I'm going to keep it h squared. Now, our side 1 is over here. That's 3 meters. So I'm going to call it 3 squared. And then plus side 2 is over here. And that's 4 meters squared. So I'm going to write plus 4 squared. Next step, we keep our h squared there, our equal sign lined up. 3 times 3, so 3 squared in your calculator gives you 9. Plus we have 4 squared in your calculators. 4 squared is 16. So next step, we need to add these two together. So h squared equals 25. Now, we need to solve for h. So in order to solve for h, we have to take the square root. So if you do it to one side, what'd you say? Yeah, you're right. Do it to the other side. So h ends up equaling 5. Now, because it's a word problem, you have to have a therefore sentence. And I just popped it up right here because I can't write very well on this thing. So, therefore, let me just move that. Over here somewhere, okay? Let's put it here. Therefore, the length of the hypotenuse is 5 meters, okay? The end. Hope you enjoyed that lesson. Bye.